We are introduction about FBINSE 2023 Wireless Carplay Adapter for cars with factory wired CarPlay. CarPlay wireless adapter dongle converts wired to wireless CarPlay, plug and play. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi/Bluetooth 5.2, online update. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Following, we will mention overviews FBINSE 2023 Wireless CarPlay Adapter. And outstanding features of FBINSE 2023 Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This wireless CarPlay adapter only works with cars with factory OEM wired CarPlay. Suitable for iPhone 6 or iOS 10.0 and above phones. Note, not for aftermarket Android head unit. If you are not sure whether our CarPlay dongle is suitable for your car, feel free to contact us. Fast and stable wireless CarPlay dongle. Built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi modules and 5.2 Bluetooth. FBINSE wireless CarPlay adapter can convert factory wired to wireless CarPlay with faster and stable transmission speed. Second level boot, real-time response, you will not feel the delay. Equipped with two types of data cable, USB-AC and Type-C, the dongle can work with more car models. Let FBINSE CarPlay dongle replace complicated data cables and expensive car radios. Make your life more convenient. Plug and play. Installation is as simple as a breeze. Step 1. Plug the CarPlay wireless adapter into your car's USB port. Step 2. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your iOS phone, pair with the device named SmartBox XXXX. Step 3. Enjoy wireless CarPlay ever since. After the first tethering, CarPlay will auto-connect without having to take your phone out of your pocket. The annoyance of having to go back to your car to get the phone will never happen. It also reduces the damage of frequent plug the cable into phone. Wireless CarPlay Adapter. 2023 newest updated wireless CarPlay adapter keeps all wired CarPlay features, sync your phone's app to the car display, play music, get navigation, online map. Make phone calls on your car screen but get rid of disordered cable. You can use your favorite Spotify, iTunes, Waze wire-free. CarPlay wireless adapter retains Siri voice assistant and the original controls of the car, steering wheel, knob, and touch screen controls, following your driving habits. Palm size but powerful. FBINSE CarPlay wireless adapter size 2.36 x 2.36 x 0.39 inch. Compact and lightweight design, the palm size of CarPlay dongle saves space occupied and won't destroy the aesthetic interior design of your car. Equipped with two types of cables USB-A to C and Type-C to C to work with newer models in recent years. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.